In this video, we'll demonstrate how to turn off game updates on your PlayStation 5. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to stop game updates on your PS5, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's get into the tutorial steps. From the PS5 home screen, navigate to Settings. Scroll down and select Save Data and Game App Settings. Choose Automatic Updates and navigate to the two settings options available. Automatically download. PS5 will check and download the latest updates when available. Turn this off. Auto install in rest mode. If active, this setting closes apps for updates. Turn it off if you don't want apps to close for updates. For enabling this feature, go to System, Power Saving, Features available in rest mode. Ensure Stay connected to the internet is checked. If you prefer to prevent updates, uncheck this setting. To halt system software updates, go to System, System Software Update Settings. Uncheck Download Update Files Automatically and Install Update Files Automatically for system software updates. Lastly, if a download is in progress, press the PlayStation button, navigate to the Control Center, and select Downloads and Updates. Find the specific download or update and select it twice to prompt an option to pause the download or update. If you found this tutorial helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe for more informative content. Your support motivates us to create additional tutorials. For more tech-related guidance, visit mediamagnet.business.